It's terrible.
So we're here,
Okay.
and then we're going here. We can
Wow.
pick here.
Okay. Very good.
Oh, you did bring it. Yeah. Oh, what's that?
What's what?
Oh, that's your phone.
Yeah. What do you think it was?
That was the camera.
What the? What time is it? It is 11:47.
Okay, let's go.
All right. Let's go.
Drink water.
1K done. Water break.
Water.
Do you realize how quiet we got? Because incline.
I'm just gonna pet it, you know. Little cute mushroom, just a little pet.
Look at there.
Oh, do not want to see it with
Travel in groups. There's like chicken. Right there. Two little goose bird. I don't know what they are. Don't you think it's 3K yet?
It's 2 hours. I can't be that slow. I gotta check.
Okay, let's hope so. So many mushrooms here. This one looks like a pancake. Just hit 4K and it's 1:30. Another big gigantic mushroom. I think this is the second outhouse along the hike. There's a Mario mushroom. Oh, so I guess we do get to see some wildflowers. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, I like it here. Can we camp here instead? Don't you think this hike is more difficult than the Garibaldi one? I think so. Cause at least with Garibaldi, like only after like that switchback area is like chill. But here is like you think it's flat and then it suddenly goes uphill again. I think this is pretty bad. It's pretty bad, Kai. My legs are the burst, Kai. Hurts so much here.
Rubbing here?
Oh.
Yeah.
Go, Kai. You want me to shake it for you? So many berries here though. I tried these ones. It's pretty good. This one. It's very nice and plump. Yeah. Good, right?
Much sweeter.
Yeah. 7K. We're 7K now. 7K. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad. It's terrible. Wow, but it is very nice. So we're camping here?
No.
What?
We're having lunch here. And then we're going to hike to Hanging Lake. This is Rambo.
Oh no. Oh no. Wow, but very nice. I like it here.
Yeah, I know. But we need to go to the other lake so then we can swim.
Oh, right. This one you can't swim.
Oh. Just bring essentials.
We made it.
Good job.
Good job.
Very good.
High five. Thumb five. Oh, so nice. So beautiful. Can we even like dip our foot in? No?
Probably not.
Okay.
I don't know. They say this is like,
Where's it?
yeah,
We're-
for people.
for
Wait,
water.
but is that person?
Oh, that guy's in fully in.
Yeah. Oh no, we're drinking that water.
Oh my god.
I mean, so far this high's pretty good. We see people, but not a lot of people.
Wow, the water's so clean.
I don't think they allow it yet.
Allow for people to die there.
Not quite yet.
I'm scared. Can you stay here? Okay. Oh my god, it's so dark. Okay.
Guidance today. So like everything that has scent, we'll put it away. So, like sunscreen.
Which way?
I don't know. Possible. It is possible.
Possible. Anything's possible. Yes. That was brutal. Just sun, no shade. What is this? It's okay. Oh, okay. Less than 1K.
Okay. Yes.
We got this.
Yeah, totally got it.
Oh. I think that's it. Look at that girl. She abandoned all of us. But it's gonna be a rough walk way up. What? Yeah, it's most definitely more than 1K. It's very like steep downhills. It's gonna suck coming up tomorrow. For food, so the birds can't get to it. Our house. Then just gotta find a camping spot. Alright, but we made it.
Yes, we made it.
Okay, so let's find a spot. I feel like there's quite a lot. There's not many. Oh.
Hello.
Hi. Good, how are you? First of all, I just want to put this thing down and then we could think about where we want to actually set up camp. But yeah, this is not too bad. It's like shaded. And then I think we could take this route down to the water. Alright. We made it! Yes! Wonderful. Yeah, it's pretty chill. And you don't even have to pay for it, right? Yeah, pretty good. You take the backpack?
Yeah.
The charcuterie stuff, I feel like that would go bad. Yes, Kai's an MVP. Wow.
Not bad. Come!
Good job, Kai. You're doing so great.
You're dreaming alpine. I do not dare.
That is not happening.
My
record.
Our journey back.
Okay, time to go home to get to
Mhm.
ice cream
Mhm.
and maybe Chinese food.
Why maybe now?
I don't know because I'm full now, but
Oh,
I'm sure I'll be starving in 3 hours.
Yes. Wow. There's no berries all along here. Yeah. Okay. Wow. We made it. Well, not really. Isn't it like we have to walk a little bit more? Again? I feel like.
Oh, really? Shit.
Yeah. We made it! Yeah! Wow, so good! Alright, not so bad. Now I can flip it. Yes, we made it. Okay. Ice cream time.
Ice